how Bulgarian singing sounds to a non-Bulgarian speaker. Ever wondered how a song in your language sounds to those who don't understand it? Let's listen. Zaberasnaka sobochi terasi degtino stavmantic Albosest falbet wakizin del Desega Zaswat bis narastan koji sodi Potas jaisko smetkat prizeldam da zwat Da, ali seste taski som nas watse Čičina tisko me desbesti Som den tobras jakaski dostet Lus dašu saši setsas bari dan desvestu Exom pit kautem som gosan Svestogl smeskat tit som paida Yes, I know it sounds nothing like the actual language. My channel is called Language Gibberish after all. I'm sure those who completely missed the point will flood the comments with "this is nonsense and your pronunciation is all wrong." All because they didn't get the joke. Follow me if you want to hear Spongebob obliterate more languages in hilarious gibberish.